Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to talk about filter transformation. Filter transformation, I'm sorry, yeah, filter transformation can be used anywhere in the data pipeline. Okay, so it has three properties actually. One, true. When it's true, it will pass all the records, which means it doesn't filter anything. There is false. If this one will block all the records, it will not pass any of the records. The third one is condition. These are the three properties of filter transformation, and it is the very easiest one. Let's do a demo for this so that you guys can understand. Okay, so I am in my Informatica designer. Okay, so I'll just open that. What I'll do, I'll create a mapping. I'll call it as M filter transformation. Formation. Okay. All right. So what do we do now is just imagine that you have a flat file, okay, as a source. So our source is flat file and the target is okay. I'll take this one, okay, department flat file. What we will do, I'll select all, I'll put them here and I'll save it. This is valid. Now what happens if I run this query? All the records from the source will be loaded into a target. Oh, my bad. Oh, actually, I have to delete this. This is a flat file only. I have to take this T dot department. Okay. This is my table. Okay. It's gonna read from there and load it to here. This is a normal workflow, right? So if you remember the source qualifier earlier, there is a filter option, correct? But when I am reading a flat file and see the properties, I do not have any of them active. Only tracing level is active. Rest all are blocked. If you see here, source filter, it is blocked. So you can't filter it. That is one reason that we want to use a filter transformation. Okay. Second one, even let's say if it is a table. Okay. I will take the example here. I'm not going to run this anyway, but I'm just showing you. Let's say you want to filter the table only, but you don't want to filter here. You want to let the all the records here, but you want to filter it after some transformation. Like let's say you want to do some aggregator or some other things. Okay, here. So once you do that, after that, if you want to add a filter, then you can't do it because source qualifier gives you only a filter option for the source itself. It is reading only those particular records. Got it? So that time you have to use the filter transformation in the anywhere in the pipeline, right? So what we'll do, I will just delete this, and what I will do, I will take the transformation. So you can take the transformation from two way. This is the filter transformation actually. You can take it from here. Otherwise, you can click transformation create. This window will pop up. You just write it filter transformation. All right. So here, check from here, filter transformation, then create. That's it. Close. Keep it here. Okay, let me hide this. Okay. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna take on and put it here, and from here select all and put it here. So this is how we add filter transformation, but nothing has done yet. We just added. So if I run now, what happens? All the records from here will be loaded into here. Okay, let me just show you what does department table has actually. Let me do that. Okay, select everything from departments. So we have all these options, all these records. Okay, there are some null values. There are some, department names and all those things. So what are you going to do is, let's do something like this. We want to have only record which have the manager ID, and the null one we will not be adding, which means we want to add only these many records. Okay, let's try this filter there. As I said you guys before, there will be three things. One is true. If this is true, then it's gonna push all the records. If it is false, it will block all the records. The third one is condition. That is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna remove this true. Go to ports. What I wanted, I want to load those records where manager ID is not null. So how do I write it? Manager ID is not null. If I validate this, should not throw an error. If it throws an error, then it is not correct, right? So it says an error. We cannot do it this way. Whenever we use the filter transformation, we have to use it in different way. How? We have to write like not is null, right? Then here we pass the column name. If you write like this, then it will not throw an error. Expression passed successfully, which means it's good. Click OK, then apply, then OK. We'll save it. Now, how many records I should have? From where manager ID I should have only 11 records loaded into a department table now in the course, right? Right now I will empty it with p dot department, right? My bad. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna truncate it. Truncate table. There are no records right now, correct? Now let's go to workflow. Let's create a workflow here. Workflow. Okay, take the session. Use the filter one. Link it. Right, double click. Fill parent. And then here write one mapping, go to here. There won't be anything here because since it's a flat file builder. Okay. Then here you have to check if the name of the flat file is correct. It is correct. Directory you have to check it because what happens is 1 second 10.2 server info shared source files. So here actually there is one more on this thing. So at present the directory is showing only this much, so I have to add this. Okay, I'll take this, we'll add here. All good, right? So that is fine. Now go to target. Target should be pointing to target. Here truncate and load. Apply, save and run. Double click. See how many records have been loaded. There are 27 records totally, right from source to until here. Then it did a transformation, filter transformation, which is selecting only not null record, right, which are 11. Those are loaded into target table. Let's go here and check if it is correct. There you go. This is how you use filter transformation, right? This is how you can do it. Okay, you can use some other functions also. You have a lot of functions, but you can go through it and then you can do it for the practice. Okay, thank you. That's it for this video.